What is the difference between squirrel cage and slip-ring motors? A squirrel cage induction motor has a rotor made of copper or aluminium bars short-circuited by end rings, whereas a slip-ring motor has a three-phase wound rotor connected to external resistance through slip rings. A squirrel cage motor draws a high starting current and develops moderate starting torque, whereas a slip-ring motor draws a reduced starting current and develops high starting torque due to external rotor resistance. A squirrel cage motor is normally started direct on line or with reduced voltage starters, whereas a slip-ring motor is started with a rotor resistance starter and the resistance is cut out progressively. Speed control of a squirrel cage motor is practically not possible, whereas limited speed control is possible in a slip-ring motor by varying rotor resistance. A squirrel cage motor has simple, rugged construction with no brushes or slip rings and therefore requires very little maintenance, whereas a slip-ring motor requires more maintenance due to brushes, slip rings, and external resistances. A squirrel cage motor has higher efficiency and better reliability during normal running, whereas a slip-ring motor has lower efficiency during starting because of rotor resistance losses. Squirrel cage motors are commonly used for pumps, fans, compressors, and bow thrusters, whereas slip-ring motors are used for heavy-duty applications such as winches, cranes, and high inertia loads.